So we've got a Creme Fraiche here. Okay, so we've got our Creme Fraiche. Let's see, 24 hours. Well, 48 hours actually. Where it's at. Oh my goodness, that looks beautiful, guys. So a couple of mixing, and then we have this super thick, super fun, way thicker than sour cream product that we can put on a cheesecake. Now what I'm going to do right away, because this isn't quite enough for me right now, I am going to do another batch. Alright, so we've got a cup of fresh cream, and we're going to take this newly created creme fraiche, which I'm totally going to taste. And we're going to put 1 tablespoon. That's so good. Oh, that's so good. Into the milk. Well, it's cream, not milk. Mix it. Now, I don't know about your grocery store, but my grocery store charges about $6 for about 80 mils of this stuff. So, you know, even if you're spending $10, $15 on a culture, if you like creme fraiche and you want it authentic and you want it heirloom. So go ahead and head over to Positively Probiotics so you can make your own creme fraiche. And, you know, if you want to save some for later, store it in your freezer so you're ready to see it the next time. So we'll see you guys next time. We are going to be using creme fraiche in a few beauty products as well, more like, you know, DIYs that you use right away, which most of them will be. I'm saving the shelf stable stuff for a lot more testing. So come on back to my Zobe Kitchen anytime if you enjoyed this. And remember, beauty comes from within, so treat your body right. Probiotics are one way to do that. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.